Bok is unresponsive.
Galit ka.
One, two, three, four, five.
Bok is breathless.
One, two, three, four, five.
Bok is pulseless.
Good luck.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
Team Scambular arrives.
Please take over the compressor.
Ganda niyo.
Just compressor samba ka sa bed. Okay, make sure that your elbow should be locked and straighten your shoulders or your eyes. MIP.
Attach the patient to cardiac monitor. Please start the IV line. IV line is set the recorder. Attach the first file. Attach the cardiac monitor. Attach the monitor recorded at 11:45. Attach the defibrillator patches. Defibrillator patches. Attach the defibrillator patches at 11:45.
As long as everything is already attached, you can now start commanding SAS. SAS.
Stop compression. Analyze the rhythm. Switch. The patient is on course.
Can you please adjust the cardiac port as well as the patient? Make sure that the head is going over the concave part of the cardiac port.
Patient is on course. Ventricular fibrillation.
Very good.
Check the pulse.
Pulseless.
Defibrillate the patient at 200 joules. Defibrillate the patient at 200 joules. Starting 200 joules. I'm clear. Clear. Is everybody clear?
Clear.
Shock delivered. Shock delivered at 11:40. Start. Continue compression. Continue ventilation. Let's give medication. Give epinephrine 1 milligram.
Epinephrine 1 milligram.
Epinephrine 1 milligram recorded.
2 minutes.
Stop compression. Analyze the rhythm. Visuals. Patient is on ventricular tachycardia. Check the pulse.
Pulseless.
Repeat the patient at 200 joules. I'm going to defibrillate the patient at 200 joules. Start at 200 joules. I'm clear. Clear. Is everybody clear?
Clear.
Shock delivered. Shock delivered at 11:47. Continue compression. Continue ventilation. Let's give medication. Give vasopressin 40 units.
Vasopressin 40 units given.
Vasopressin 40 units. Recorded at 11:47.
2 minutes.
Stop compression. Stop. Switch roll. Analyze this. The patient is on. Check the leads. Check the pulse. Magnify the.
Still flat line.
Continue compression.
Systole, continue ka pressure.
Give medication, atropine 1 milligram.
Atropine 1 milligram.
Atropine 1 milligram recorded at 11:48.
2 minutes.
Stop compression. Analyze the rhythm. Atrial
Switch rolls. Very good. Atrial fibrillation.
Check the pulse.
Pulseless. Patient's pulses.
Continue po po pwede. Give medication, epinephrine, 0.5 milligram.
Epinephrine 0.5 milligrams.
Epinephrine, 0.5 milligram, recorded at 11:49.
Correct drug wrong dose given. Should be 1 milligram or PA. Tama yung epinephrine, pero not 0.5. 1 milligram. Subsequent dose naman ng medication for PAA is always 1 milligram, not 0.5. Let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Stop compression. Analyze the rhythm, switch. The patient is on atrial gas to check the pulse.
Positive pulse.
Continue ventilation. Let's give medication. Galabamine, 2.5 milligrams.
Dramamine 2.5 milligrams.
Galabamine, 2.5 milligrams. Recorded at 11:49.
Correct drug, correct dose given. Let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Patient is on sinus trigger.
Very good.
Continue ventilation. Ay, check the pulse.
Positive pulse.
Continue ventilation. Let's give medication. Give atropine sulfate 0.5.
Atropine 0.5 milligrams.
Atropine 0.5 milligrams recorded at 11:49.
Very good. Correct drug, correct dose. Let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Patient is on NSR. Continue ventilation. Check the pulse.
Positive pulse.
Check the BP.
BP 90/70.
Give dopamine 400 milligrams per 250 ml of B5 water. We start at 2.5 microgram per kilogram per minute.
BP is 90/70. Do you need to hang or start dopamine drip?
No.
No. Patient is normotensive. Okay, patient has stable BP. Systolic of 90, but when it lowers down to 90 of systolic, then that's the time you have to consider giving or starting dopamine. Okay? Not yet. Papatay niyo yung pasyente. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Patient is on SNR.
Baliktarin mo. NSR. Okay.
Ate,
Continue ventilation. Check the pulse.
Check the pulse.
Check the pulse.
Positive pulse.
mawit lang.
Check the BP.